Hello friends. Now today my next topic of glass manufacturing of glass. I discuss next lecture properties and what is glass and what is physical and chemical properties of glass and what is raw material and what is the effect of raw material on the manufacturing of glass. Manufactured by now I will discuss manufacturing of glass, glass and pot furnace. But in RTU syllabus given a tank furnace manufacturing of glass. Now first I will discuss uh, manufacturing of glass by tank furnace, formation of batch material. The lump of integrant such limestone and quartz, soda, sand, obtained in proper particle size. Homogeneous mixture of raw material is called a batch. सारे मटेरियल मिलाकर homogeneous mixture बनाते हैं batch कहलाएगा. Melting process I already discussed done by tank furnace or pot furnace, and melting process done in the 1800 degree centigrade. And heating system based on the two method, recapture method or regenerative method. And what is the difference of both things and what do you mean means utilization of heat of waste gases in this method. Recapture like example, summer days pipe water is a hot, is a recapture. And regenerative method, in this method hot waste gases pass in the gas. Gas absorb the heat by heat transfer method, and heat absorb cool waste gases release out. Now glass batch mixed with small cullets, I already discussed small block of glass which is known as the cullets with help the melting process of silica. And now this process glass may be continuous heat up, raw material may be continuous heat up to clear and transparent mass is obtained, viscous mass is obtained, clear and transparent viscous masses. Now will we discuss the manufacturing of glass by tank furnace. This is a tank, taken a raw material, producer gas, this is the mixture of CO plus N2, air is passed, hot waste gas is released, this is known as the flue gases. And these producer gas burn with the help of air, walls are heated and radiation are emitted. This radiation, raw material, with the help of raw material, this radiation maybe melt the glass raw material up to melting process done, clear transparent mass is obtained. And these are representation N2O.CO.6SiO2 after manufacturing of glass. Sodium carbonate combined with silica form a sodium silicate and CO2 gas release. This is soluble, water soluble glass. Sodium silicate known as a water soluble glass. This is known as a water glass which is soluble in water. Calcium carbonate silica combined form a calcium silicate, CO2 gas release, soluble in acid, insoluble in water. Now complete reaction, sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, 6SiO2. This is general ordinary glass composition, CO2 gas release. Can I say this melting process may be done up to transparent clear mass is not obtained, and in this process raw material not direct heat, maybe heat in the hot waves because hot waves contain more heat. And after this glass raw material may be transparent and seems transparent, shaping process may be done. The molten glass may be different articles desired shaped by molding process. Then after annealing process, very important. Annealing means slow and uniform cooling of glass. Glass do not conduct a heat. If glass do not slow and sudden heating process done, outer surface cool down first, inner surface do not cool down, so that internal strain develop in the glass and glass are fragile quality. Avoid this problem, cooling of glass uniform rate, slow uniform cooling, this process known as the annealing of glass. This process known as annealing of glass. So annealing process is most important part of the glass after shaping. Article may be cool, uniform and slow rate. Otherwise sudden cooling, outer surface cool down, inner surface not cool down, internal strain develop, and glass are fragile and brittle quality. Avoid this problem, annealing process done good for obtaining good quality of glass. I will discuss diagram next topic. Then after annealing, finishing may be done. The article may be finished cutting, cleaning, polishing, etc. I will be discuss annealing process, glass article at 900 degrees centigrade, then pass not direct 200 degrees centigrade. This glass article stay for some 800 degrees centigrade, then after stay for 700 degrees centigrade, then after stay for 600 degrees centigrade, then after stay for 500 degrees centigrade, then after stay for 400 degrees centigrade, then after stay for 300 degrees centigrade. Not directly cool, because otherwise this condition may be done. Glass are fragile quality, so uniform and slow cooling of glass may be done. This process is known as a annealing process. They are most important part. Short question may become in RTO examination. What the significance of annealing process in glass? Can I discuss the figure annealing of glass? Why annealing is needed?